Hi, welcome back everyone. In today's video, we look at another Vsub feature, that is the Would You Rather video. Some of you may not be familiar, but I'm sure you have come across it sometime in YouTube short or TikTok. So these are the sample that the Vsub provided. We can just take a very simple look.
Have infinite money or have infinite happiness. Sleep on a bed of snakes or swim with sharks.
Okay, we can see from here that is would you rather have this or this, and then there's a percentage. Where can we get all this? We can get all this from Chatgpt. That is the easiest way to get some idea of what kind of question or what kind of topic to do. But anyway, let's go into it. Would you rather? So when you click on it, then right now there's only one template. I believe in the future they will have more different kind of template. So right now it's only like red and blue. But the good thing is that they generate for you all this caption and all the percentage that you want, and then the image is all AI generated. So you don't have to do it manually. And when we go and take a look at the setting, what are the settings that we can choose? So basically the setting is, right now you can only choose the voice that you want. I'm going to leave everything as default, and then you can use this one or something else. So let's go back to the question. So you can start to add in the question yourself. So this is a question, option A, option B, and then what is the percentage? If not, the easiest way for you to learn how to use Vsub is always use the default generate question. And then Vsub will generate the question for you, and from there you can learn how it is done. So right now in this generated question, there's about 12 questions. Question 1 will be live without internet, live without aircon in summer. And then 42% on the option A. So let's click continue. And we will see the outcome of this one. So right now it's generating the AI voice and the image idea, and then the AI image. Finally, they will add in all the transcript and all the subtitle that you can think of. So that is how easy it is to use a Vsub to generate this kind of topic or video. So Vsub is a fantastic tool for those doing YouTube shorts or TikTok video or even Instagram reel. Right now they are focusing more on this kind of video, that is a 9:16. So our video is done. So let's take a look at the video, red and blue. And then what is the setting that we can change? Of course we can change all this, all the different setting. And then music, if you want, upload your own music. For music wise, I suggest you to just take it from YouTube if you want to upload any music. Don't take it from anywhere else, even though it is copyright. YouTube is the safest place. Sorry, I mean if you are doing YouTube. If you are doing it on other platform, that is a different story. And then tools wise, then you can change all this. But let's go back, and I will leave everything as default, and let's just take a look at this.
Without internet or live without AC in summer. Eat only spicy food or eat only bland food.
Okay, so this is how easy it is to generate a Would You Rather video. And I'm going to download it. And can you see that the whole process, how long does it take? Of course, the question and answer is already generated by Vsub itself. But if I were to spend a little bit of time on Chatgpt to get the question and then input it into Vsub, that will take me maybe about 5 or 10 minutes. And then the rest of the work I can just throw to Vsub to do it for me. And then my video is done. That is just how simple it is to use Vsub. So definitely this is a must-have tools. And right now you see in less than a minute I'm done. From generation to producing the clip itself. And I will end the video here and we'll watch the video till the end. Thank you very much. I will see you guys on the next video.
Live without internet or live without AC in summer. Eat only spicy food or eat only bland food. Sleep on the floor or sleep on a hard mattress. Never use a phone again or never watch TV again. Have constant noise around or have constant silence. Always be too hot or always be too cold. Live in a crowded city or live in a remote jungle. Only eat sweet foods or only eat salty foods. Never travel again or never eat your favorite food again. Always be late or always be too early. Always have a runny nose or always have itchy eyes. Live without music or live without movies.